Fear. It's kind of like an old movie. When it first shows up, it's a little grainy. There's some static in the feed. Sometimes you can't quite tell what's going on. But then you play it again, or it gets put on repeat, and things start to be a little bit more clear. Maybe it starts to make sense. You can actually see all the pieces as they're coming together. Fear does that to us, not to play games with us, but to protect us, to shed light on areas that need attention. Perhaps your focus was too narrow, but now you see it from a different perspective and you pick up on something you might have missed. It allows you to adjust course, make smarter, safer choices sooner. Fear is our friend. It's a gift. So the next time you feel fear, trust it. Listen to it. It might just leave you a little better off.